With the addition of the Plus and Smart Train inertial system, Herzog has again revolutionized the rail industry. Combining GPS tracking and an array of sensors, ballast unloading is safer, more accurate, and more reliable than ever. After an initial pre-dump survey, Herzog's ballast unloading system goes to work. The Plus and Smart Train inertial system includes dual tracking systems to ensure ballast accuracy through all types of work environments. Primary GPS tracking instructs each car where and when to dump ballast. Inclement weather, tunnels, and foliage can cause GPS outages to occur. But the additional sensors of the Plus and Smart Train inertial system will provide Herzog with the ability to continue delivery of the ballast to the desired location. New construction dumping is also more robust than ever, and Herzog can spread ballast at up to 30 cars per mile on new construction skeletonized track. Herzog's Plus and Smart Train inertial system gets the job done.